What is up, guys? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys is how you can add random friends on Monopoly Go. There are a few ways to do this, so let's get right into it to not waste any time. It is quick and easy, so let's go. One of the ways you can actually use to invite random people as your friends is going into the Friends tab in the bottom right of your screen. Once you access this tab, you will get this screen. In this Add Friends tab, what you can do is there will be several random people from around your area who you can add as random friends in your Monopoly Go game. Sadly for me, this list is empty. There is nothing appearing. I do not know why, but for you it should show a list of at least 3 people who you can add as random friends in Monopoly Go. Another thing you can do is you can go online either to Facebook or to Reddit, and you can add people by your link. For example, if you click invite and you can click on the invite via link, the top button, you can copy this link, guys. You can post it somewhere online, and whoever clicks on that link will become your friend, and you won't know who actually accepted, guys. Another thing you can do is actually search for threads on forums such as Reddit, where people will already post their links. You can click on those links and you can add those people as your friends. Another thing you can do is add your friends via your contacts. You can invite them via Facebook, as you can see, and friends are needed, guys, so that you can open your community chest. You need at least 5 of them to access the minigame, and the more friends you have, the rewards are better, guys. That's about it. That is how you can add random friends in your Monopoly Go game. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you find this informative and helpful, and I will see you guys next time.